Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this eyeshadow palette. This is seriously one of the most beautiful palettes I've ever seen. So this is from the brand Sequoia Beauty, which is a new makeup brand that I am so excited about. It's based out of San Francisco and it's basically a brand that is trying to inspire and empower with color, and they're cruelty-free, vegan, and they sent me their whole collection in a recent PR package. So I did a whole PR haul video where I unboxed that beautiful PR package. So if you have not seen that video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. I've also recently tried out their matte liquid lipsticks, which are such an incredible formula. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But this here is their Wildflower palette. And oh my gosh, let me just open this and show you how beautiful it is. And I love the packaging, so pretty. It has the big mirror and 15 shades. There's a mix of mattes, shimmers, and I am just so obsessed with the colors that you get in this. So it retails for $34.99, but I do have a 5% off discount code. So if you use the code Christy, you'll save 5%. And of course, I'll have that linked in the description down below. And of course, I also love to give the disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I just was dying to try this out when I unboxed it. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna do some swatches. So all of these have names of different like flowers and plants that you would find in the garden. And I love that that's the inspiration of this. So you know that this hot pink shade is calling my name. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. So bright and pigmented. But let's also pick up, oh my gosh, this beautiful teal. Wow. I want to pick up some glitter shimmer. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, these have such amazing textures to them already. So pigmented. Oh my gosh, these swatches are incredible for matte shades too. Like these are so pigmented. Okay, I am so impressed. These are amazing. And you can create so many looks from this. You could do a very casual, neutral look. You know, you've got your matte browns. I love that there is a matte white shade. You can do warm tones, cool tones, bright look, muted look. Oh, I don't even know what I want to do, but I'm just excited to start playing around with this. Before I actually even apply any shades to my eyes, I am going to do what I always do when I review new eyeshadow palettes, and that is to test it out with and without my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm just going to start out by blending this all over one of the eyelids. All right, and so I always like to set and prep the lids with a matte white shade. So this shade here is perfect. A little bit of kickback there. But so I'm just going to dust this all over the lid and prep the eye for other shades to blend on top and set that primer. This shade is also doing a good job of canceling out some of the discoloration in my lid. So if I didn't even want to wear any other eyeshadows, I could just throw this on to get a little lid coverage. Because that has some good pigment to it for just lightly dusting this light shade all over my lids. All right, so now for my crease shade, I think I'm going to take this matte brown here called Manzanita, because I like to take a matte brown shade to create a little shadow contour effect to enhance the eye shape. So just blending this, which is immediately super pigmented and easy to blend. And I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm just going to diffuse out this color from the crease up to the brow bone, and it is perfect for this. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's so incredibly easy to blend. And this shade I'm not seeing as much kickback, so very, very impressed by this. And I love how it does enhance my eye shape, which is slightly hooded, so I try and give a little contour dimension in the crease there. I don't even think I can help myself. I think I just need to reach for these pink tones. So next, going right into the crease, I'm gonna build it up with the shade Rose and focus this right into the crease. Oh my gosh, look at this color. It is so beautiful, extremely pigmented and blendable. Oh my goodness. That's looking very vibrant too. So you really only need a little bit because these are so pigmented. I'm really not noticing any difference in how blendable or vibrant the shades are with and without the primer. Gosh, these are so impressive. All right, I'm going for it. This is going to be a bright, beautiful pink eyeshadow look. I just know it. So next I'm going to pick up this pink shade called Snapdragon, and I'm going to apply this into that outer V, working a little bit into the crease. Oh my gosh, so pigmented, so beautiful. Like, I only need to seriously lightly tap it onto the lid and you get that full color. These are so easy to work with. Oh my gosh, all the color that I have going on right now is making me so happy. I'm gonna actually stick with this beautiful pink shade and bring it down along the lower lash line as well. Just keep that pink going and connect it up to the outer V there. Now I'm picking up more of a flat brush and I'm going into the shade Zinnia, and I'm gonna apply this gorgeous bright pink shade. You know, I'm just gonna do the rest of the lid. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's practically neon. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love the shades you get in this, and I'm actually only wearing matte colors on my lid right now, but there's so many different tones of pink going on that it almost creates more texture. And then I'm also just going to, for the fun of it, add a little bit of this to that lower lash line. A little bit of fallout on my face. I'm just gonna dust that away. And I'm not even gonna stop here. I'm going all out with the pinks because how can I resist when there are so many amazing pink shades in here? But I'm gonna pick up this sparkly Verbena, definitely pronouncing that wrong, shade, and apply that as a little halo eye effect into the center here, which, oh my gosh, this color looks amazing on top of these pinks. It kind of almost has like a duochrome shift to it. Such a cool shade, but adds such a gorgeous effect to the eye. And let me just make sure we are all blended, which is super easy with these shades. Even though they're so pigmented, bright, bold, they're still so blendable and easy to apply. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is making me so happy to look at. Look at this. Oh my gosh. The brightest, most beautiful pink eyeshadow look I have ever done. I'm obsessed with this. Every single shade I used was just blowing me away. But if you're not into pinks as much as I am, you could do a completely opposite eyeshadow look. So I just know I'm going to be reaching for this so much, creating all sorts of different looks, which I love for a palette like this. $34.99, but you're going to be able to get so much use out of this, and you can do it so easily because of how pigmented and blendable they are. So this is the eye with the primer. This is the eye without the primer. Absolutely no difference. No creasing. Wow. This formula truly blew me away. I was already so excited about this based off the color story, but then just how amazing the formula is. Like, I am so obsessed with this. This is one of my new favorite palettes. So if you like color, or even if you just want a little pop of color, but overall you like to do a little toned down neutral look, I still recommend this. Also, if you're just getting into eyeshadows and getting into playing with color, this is such a great palette to try because it's so blendable, pigmented, and easy to use. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.